Hey guys, right, this is where the mistake happens. We are at Boreham Wood. We got two roundabouts coming up back to back. The first roundabout we're going straight, there's only a single lane, but at the next roundabout we're going to be going left, and there are two lanes. They're not marked, but it's wide enough for two lanes, and so you have to stay stuck to the left side. We've shifted over like 70% to the right, giving the impression we're going there. Then we move over to the left. The car behind, you can see on the top, that grey Volvo was affected. They had to brake because they thought we were going to the right. So I'm going to replay it again so that you guys get another look at it. The student did say, there were no road markings, and then I was like, no, there are, and then I showed him a picture on Google Maps, but it was from the opposite direction, so I didn't realize they were coming from this direction. So then now I've watched the video, and they were right. There's no markings. However, it's wide enough for clearly two cars, and you have to position correctly when it's that wide. Okay, when there's only one lane, fine, you stay in the middle. But when there's more space, when there's space for more than one car or one vehicle, you must position correctly, because you are otherwise giving the wrong idea to people behind, especially if maybe you don't signal or whatever. But that was an issue. The main issue was the positioning. So straight ahead at this one, single lane, coming off perfectly, and then we are leaving, and we're meant to be going left, but we don't stick to the left, and the car behind watch the grey Volvo in the top, and they have to brake, and that was the only problem. So that's it. The student will learn, and hopefully you guys will too.